All right. So, finishing the day, admitting defeat, down $30. $30. $30. That's like it's a nice lunch could have had right there. So it looks like I'm starving today. Minus $30. So this week has just been really tough to stay green, get green. Didn't have much to work with today. Jay-Z, I took a trade here on the pullback, but just the lack of volume and the conviction, just lack of consistent volume, I just could not have a good trade. I got in at 30, added at 24, and getting out at 26, and then down here at 23, stopping out. So tough stuff. LITM was probably the best on the day, but not even that good. Went from 270 to 350. But very choppy. The best setup here is probably the W bottom here for the reversal, reclaiming VWAP on the second time. On the 5-minute chart, looks pretty clean. Down here, this candle coming in with higher volume, overtaking, reclaiming the topping wicks of the previous candles. So sort of a red to green here. I did try to go for it. I tried to go for a break of VWAP pre-market here, but got stopped out in this false breakout. Then it finally went without me, and that really just kind of showed me that I'm not really confident right now in this stock market. I'm not really confident here. Another small loss here, a couple small wins. Here going for that red to green, looking for that punch through 275 and a rip through 280 up to 288, maybe around up to 3, but man, like you really got to take this market so slow. Like right when you think it's going to start to kind of make a move, it just doesn't. There's just a wall. There's just so much resistance. And it's tough. It's very tough to trade. And it comes up again. I finally try to go for this break of 278. It breaks out and immediately pulls back, and I take another loss. And then it finally just crawls its way back up there and barely even touches this resistance level and breaks down. And then curls back up again, makes a run, but only breaks by 2 cents. I'm thinking a surge up to 3, a pullback, and then a breakthrough 3. That's how I was going to trade this. But and just chopped in here, got chopped up. Finally kind of goes. I say kind of because it kind of just pulls up a couple cents, pulls back up a couple cents, pulls back up a couple cents, and then that breakthrough 3 was that nice leg. But only got 5 cents on that on 100 shares. 100 shares. Nothing. It's nothing. And then pretty much break-even stuff here. Small losses. Really got nothing going here. 322 to 326. 325 to 328. All in small size. I have no confidence. My confidence is wrecked today. Wrecked. Just like nothing is moving. This is truly choppy, and it's not worth to take big size to try to make $100 or $200 on the day to try to capture a couple cents. Because if I take that type of share size and you get that dump of 10 cents, I'm down near my max loss in one trade, and that's what I don't want. If I take a real max loss day in this market, it'll take me a week or 2 weeks to make back. Even just $300, it'll take me a week to make back. That's not what I want to be doing. So, gotta be responsible and have some faith that the market gods will provide for me. I have faith that the market gods are going to provide for me. They're going to give me what I need to survive this market, to make it to the next market, to where I can thrive. Then I can thrive. I feel like I have the knowledge. I feel like I have the knowledge and the experience now that if I had this 2020 market again, or just even a hot market again, when the oil stocks are running, I could really make something out of it. I really feel like that I'm ready. But as soon as I feel like I'm ready, just the opportunity isn't there. But there will come a time where my preparation will meet the right timing of opportunity, and it's going to explode. I am going to explode like a rocket. I'm going to shoot up to the moon, and I just have to survive through this. This is the drought. I have to get through this drought, and then it's then I'm just going to be in abundance. I'm just going to be in abundance of just opportunity and wealth and money through trading. I put in so much. I think I have so much more experience than I did a short while ago. I feel a lot more comfortable with my share size. I feel like I know enough or more than enough to really grow to that next level. I mean, obviously there's always something to learn, but I just feel like I'm ready. I'm ready for that opportunity to come. And I'm just going to just keep doing what I'm doing. You know, even though it's slow market doesn't mean that you can't try to get 1% better. 1% better every day. And that may right now not be staring at the markets and trying to trade this. That 1% better may mean reading books, meditating, because meditation obviously has nothing to do with trading, but just that level-headedness, that like equanimity you have of like non-triggering, like no emotion can trigger you because you're just so just like satisfied with what is right now, like what is in the moment. You can see the charts clearly and you can trade it clearly without any emotional bias. That's how meditation can really help you with trading, is because it allows you to keep your emotions in check, not to be influenced by them as much. So that could be a way. Reading books. Maybe you should invest in a course right now. You have plenty of time to be studying courses. Go on YouTube. There's so many videos to learn. And you know, you might be saying that, well, I've been trading for a couple years now. I'm making X amount of money every month, but you can always get 1% better. I don't care like how much experience you have. There's always something that you're missing. There's always something that you forgot. There's always something that you need to brush up on. You just have to find it, and you have to just continually try to keep up your skills. Because if you don't practice your skills, if you don't consistently review your fundamentals, they're going to start to decay. So that's just my reminder to you guys to, you know, you can still get that 1% better even though the market is cold, but you're going to get that through other things, whether that be, you know, courses, books, meditation, working out. Working out is good too, because just that you just feel a lot more positive when you're taking care of your body. Like your body, your physical health definitely influences your mental health. Your mental health influences your physical health as well. And just like the positivity you get from taking care of your body comes into trading, and you look at things from a more positive light. And, you know, you may have you're always going to have setbacks, but if you can stay positive and not let it discourage you from pushing forward or taking risk, then that is very, very important to be successful in this, because you're always going to have those setbacks and you're always going to feel like, wow, like I need to stop. I don't know if this is for me. I've been there so many times. That I should just quit. But, you know, just got to stay positive through the rough parts, the rough times, and everyone's going to go through them in your trading journey. And I just found that working out is such a great outlet for not only the times where I'm struggling, but for also bringing that positivity I get from working out and feeling good into the markets, and then looking at my journey in a more positive outlook versus, you know, sometimes you can get down on yourself. So avoiding, you know, staying stuck in the negative too long, working out can definitely help. So that's it. Nothing really much after that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy your weekend. If you guys were green today, dang, you did a great job, because this was super tough, super tough. On the week, I am green, but I'm nowhere near my weekly goal, unfortunately. We're getting close to the end of the month, and it's not looking good for my monthly goal, so I might not be hitting my monthly goal this month, which is okay. You know, I'm prepared for months like this. I knew a month like this would happen, and it's just about survival. And yeah, being able, you know, I have backup. You know, I didn't come in to try to go full time expecting that I would always be hitting my monthly goals. So that's why I have, you know, a backup savings account for months like this to kind of aid me in the slow months. But I need to make sure when the market does come around, I can't afford not to take risk and not to push myself, because I want to get myself growing and out of any sort of situation that if I'm running out of money, that I need money. Because if it's comes down to like now I'm living month to month and I have no backup savings account, I've ran out of my backup savings, then that's just not a good foundation, not a good fertile ground to be trading from. I need to be able to have some sort of a bigger safety net financially. So I am prepared for like bad months. So it's good that I have the safety net, but it's important that I push myself when the market does come around, because I don't want to stay where I'm at. I don't want to stay making only a couple grand a month. I want to be making tens of thousands a month. And the only way I'm going to get there is by taking that leap of faith and doubling my position size in a hot market. But it just comes down to when the opportunity is going to come. And when it does come, I cannot shy down. I cannot shy away. I can afford to take bigger risks, and if it doesn't go my way, I can handle it. I can handle it because I know my strategy is profitable. I can trust my strategy that those losses that I incur from sizing up, I can make back because the opportunity will be more frequent, and the level of share size will be at the level where I can make that back relatively quickly, any sort of losses. So just about when that market can turn around, and then I can seize it. I can seize the opportunities. And I feel so ready. I feel like I have gotten the experience necessary to level up, and I've gotten the knowledge necessary to level up. Just got to wait for the right time when preparation meets opportunity. But right now, the opportunity is not there. So that's it. I'm going to enjoy my weekend and see you guys next week. If you're still watching, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, consider subscribing if you're not yet a subscriber. And I'll see you guys on the next recap. All right. See you next week. Peace.